If you're experiencing issues with a stuck Minecraft update, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and enhance your update process. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause updates to stall. Try restarting your router or connecting to a different network if possible. Step 2. Restart the Minecraft launcher. Close the Minecraft launcher completely and then reopen it. This can help refresh the update process and may resolve any temporary glitches that are causing the update to be stuck. Step 3. Clear cache and temporary files. Navigate to the Minecraft installation folder and delete any temporary files or cache that may be causing issues. This can free up space and help the update process run more smoothly. Step 4. Update Java. Make sure that you have the latest version of Java installed, as Minecraft relies on it to run properly. Visit the official Java website to download and install the latest version if necessary. Step 5. Reinstall Minecraft. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Minecraft. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be preventing the update from completing successfully. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your Minecraft update experience and resolve any issues you encounter. Happy gaming!